Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we'll be talking about Amazon SNS, which is simple notification service. So let's go ahead and start. So initially to come to this dashboard, click the services and here go to the application integrations, click that. And here you can see there is a simple notification service. So click that. So basically a simple notification service offers two notification methods, A to A for system to system messaging and A to P for reaching consumers via SMS push notifications and email. So A to A supports high throughput push based and many to many communication for distributed systems and serverless applications. And applications like Amazon SQS, AWS Lambda, HTTPS endpoints benefits from this A to A. So that is the definition according to these docs. So you can see application to application and application to person. So here you'll be sending these messages. So we'll be talking about this one in the coming videos. So for this, let's go to the topics and let's go ahead and create one topic. So right now we have a default one, but let's go ahead and create one topic. So here we have two, FIFO and standard. So basically the FIFO topics are better fit for use cases that require message ordering and deduplication, whereas the standard topic are better suited for use cases that require higher message publishing and delivery throughput rates. So that is where the difference is. So in this case, we'll go and select the standard one, and I just add it as a sample. The option will just leave it as default. You can add the other one as well. So coming to the encryption, you can add the encryption if you want and select the KMS key. So, but in this case, I'll just leave it as default. And coming to the access policies, so you can use these access policies to control who can access your topics and how the topics can be used. So in this case, coming to the publishers and subscribers, you can, so coming to the publishers, we have only the topic owner. So you can select only for the specific AWS accounts and select those IDs, or you can select it for everyone, which is a bad option. So in this case, I'll just select the first one, which is a topic owner, which is by default, and similarly goes with the subscribers as well. So you can also use the advanced and use a JSON format. But in this case, I'll just leave it as default, which is the basic one. And coming to this data protection policy. So data protection policy allows you to specify the sensitive information to safeguard within your Amazon SNS topic. So data identifiers are criteria used to identify sensitive data, enabling you to block and track these messages in this topic. So each SNS topic can have just one policy, which may include multiple denial rules, but only one audit statement in its data protection policy. So in this case, we have basic and advanced. So however, advanced JSON format. So let's go to the basic one, and you can create the custom identifiers, and you can add the deny configurations. So add deny whether the direction, whether it's inbound or outbound rules, and add the data identifiers and specify whether it's for all AWS accounts or specific AWS accounts. Select and give the ARNs, and you can add the deny statement. So coming to the second one, which is de-identify configurations. So similarly, you can add the same, select the direction and select the identifiers, let's say same address, and whether it's for all AWS accounts or specific AWS accounts. And here you have an option called redirect and mask. So coming to redirect, you can completely remove that data, whereas mask, you can replace the data with a single characters like asterisk symbols. So that is what it is, and you can use the audit configuration. So for this, you have to set the percentage of message to audit for this sensitive information, which is from 0 to 99. So right now we do just select the data identifiers, just select the sample, and you can select the CloudWatch. So right now we don't have any CloudWatch logs that we have created, so we just leave it as default. So let me remove that. So coming to the delivery policy. So basically, a successful Amazon SQS delivery to these HTTP and HTTPS endpoints sometimes require more than one attempt. So this can be a case, for example, when the web server that hosts the subscribed endpoint is down for the maintenance or is experiencing heavy traffic. So that is when you can use this number of returns. So this is the basic default one. So you can just remove that one and select the options accordingly. But in this case, I'll just leave it as default and delivery status logging. So Amazon SNS supports logging the delivery status of these notification messages sent to these topics with the following SNS endpoints. So you can select accordingly and add the percentage and add the IAM roles. So in this case, I'll just leave it as default. You can add the tags if you want, and active tracing. So here you can, right now it's do not use the active tracing, but you can use this tracing. So basically you can use AWS X-ray to collect the data about these messages that your topic receives, and to identify the cause of errors in your serverless applications. That is where we can use this active tracing. In this case, I'll just leave it as default and create one topic. So before creating, I'll just remove the other things. So I'm just creating with the default configurations. So let me create that. There you go. So we have successfully created this topic. The next thing is subscription. Let's see how we can create these messages to our email, send these messages to our email in the next video. So coming to this video, I hope you guys understood the concept of today's video. If you have liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please share the video. Thanks everyone.